Hello, welcome back to Modelworks. This is Rod. So we have another update for you guys. The date today is March, third week of March. So as you can see at my back here, we have a lot of packages or boxes for the KC tents. We're almost done with them. So here. And what I want to talk about with you guys is this one, the Beechcraft Premiere 1, which we had a slight miscommunication because we copied the wrong interior detail. So we will talk about this later, but for now, let's check the tables of our model builders. Let's start with this 24 inches Zilliat, which is now on the installing process. So these interior details, like this furniture and fixtures, will be stick onto the yacht, including the railings, stairs, and others. Next, we have this old model of a lawn mower, where the client probably wants to display it on a desk or a shelf. The materials we are using for this model are wood, vinyl tiles, plastic cards, and copper wires. As you can see, even the blades and the engine are being replicated. Moving on to the artist table, the KC tents are still on the process of painting their markings. Although we have a finished product here. Let's get this one. As you can see, this is a complete model. The refueling boom is here. The antennas, GPS, transponders, and others. We also made a custom base for these models. Even the special markings like this US Air Force logo and emblems. We have another aircraft on the painting process. It is a 14 inches Convair CV580. So let's check the model. As you can see, this is a solid canopy model where the windows are painted, and it is almost done. Next is this De Havilland Beaver, a 12 inches wooden model. I know it's not very clear because it is still on the process of spray painting and it has masking tape all over the aircraft. This is just one of the techniques that you can use when painting. This is the actual photo of the aircraft. Lastly, we have a Beechcraft Bonanza G36 that is being prepared for its shipping process. Basically, we will clean the aircraft, and if it has a logo or an inscription plate, we will include it. In this case, it has a logo, and we are now putting it on the base. We are also preparing more foams for our packaging. So that's everything for now. Let's move on with our topic for this video. Going back with this Beechcraft Premiere 1, a business jet that was scaled down into a 16 inches model. Probably some of you are familiar with this aircraft because the owner has a YouTube channel, which is the Premiere 1 driver. To make the long story short, we replicated the old interior of the aircraft, and the client wanted the current or new interior details, which is this navy blue and light gray interior. It was just a minor miscommunication and no one is perfect. However, here in Modelworks, we will not stop until we make you satisfied. We will do it again until we get what you really want. Now we are just waiting for the approval of the client then we will proceed on closing of the canopy. Also, I've heard that they wanted a scale mode of the pilot to be inside the cockpit. So stay tuned for you to see the final reveal of this aircraft. For now, subscribe, comment what you think, and if you like this video, just press the thumbs up button. And thank you for watching. Have a great one.
Looking for the ultimate gift for a pilot, business executive, or aviation enthusiast? But you're frustrated where to look for? Don't worry, Modelworks got your back. We have custom scale models that are great for birthdays, retirements, occasions, or even promotions and trade show events. What? Remember, these are custom made, so it can be a military aircraft from his fleet, her favorite commercial airplane, or his private jet. Dial 1-844-8 models or visit www.modelworksdirect.com for inquiries.